Victor Fakarade to sabotage the peaceful conduct of the 2009 elections in the Ogoni local government areas of Eleme, Gokana, Kana, and Tai in Rivers State. As we all know, the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has rescheduled and promised the entire world that the 2019 presidential and national assembly elections will definitely hold nationwide on Saturday, 23rd February 2019, while that of the governorship and state house of assembly elections shall hold on Saturday, 9th of March 2019. 3. We wish to note the promise by the federal government and INEC to ensure a peaceful, free, fair, and credible conduct of the general elections and restate our willingness to mobilize our people across the 4 Ogoni local government areas to fully and effectively participate in electing leaders of our choice. 4. We are, however, worried over the design by the All Progressive Congress, APC, to prevent, through the use of violence, the peaceful conduct of the elections in the state, and particularly in the Ogoni local government areas of Eleme, Gokana, Kana, and Tai, respectively. 5. What still is the failure of the federal government-controlled security agencies to arrest and prosecute the APC chieftains, including the Minister of Transportation, Rotimi Chibuike Amechi, who are threatening to take the laws into their hands and ensure that havoc will be caused on the state for no just cause. We further express our concern over the plan by the APC to rig the presidential elections in the Ogoni local government areas with the active support of some misguided security personnel, especially to be led by the General Officer commanding the 6th Division of the Nigerian Army, Major General Jami Saham, and the State Commandant of the State Anti-Robbery Squad, SAS, Mr. Akin Victor Fakarade. 7. Contrary to the demand for neutrality prescribed by the Code of Conduct regulating the engagements of security agencies on election duties, Major General Jamal Saham and Akin Fakarade have become partners and active participants in the politics of the state on the side of the All Progressive Congress, APC. 8. We experienced an indication of Major General Jami Saham's romance with the APC when he sent soldiers to turn back our people from getting to their communities on Friday, 15th February 2019, 24 hours before the time for the restriction of movement of persons imposed by the Inspector General of Police for the purposes of the now rescheduled general elections of 16th February 2019. 9. Our experience with Akin Fakarade's SAS on that day was even more worrisome. Without any reason, operatives of SAS swooped on our communities, arrested, detained, molested, and intimidated members of the People's Democratic Party in Gokana, Kana, Tai, and Eleme local government areas, respectively. 10. The primary plan of the APC for the general election is to use thugs to attack polling stations, shoot sporadically to scare voters on the queue and cart away voting materials, especially in the Ogoni area where voters turnout is likely to be very high and overwhelming for the PDP with our overwhelming population. 12. Already APC leaders in the area, including Victor Gyadon, have stockpiled his country home in Bear, Agokana local government area with hired mercenaries and ammunition to be used to sabotage the general election in the area on the 23rd of February 2019. 13. We have confirmed reports that they have procured operational vehicles in military colors which they intend to use to unleash mayhem on the voters on election day. The role of Major General Saham and Akin Fokarade in this unholy enterprise are very specific, as they are to provide adequate military and police backing for the APC armed thugs to have free and unfettered reign in our communities and inflict maximum damage to the conduct of the election, so much so that INEC may have no other option than to void the exercise in the Ogoni area to the disadvantage of the PDP. In addition, Mr. Akin Fokarade's SARS is due to unleash his SARS operative to presently interfere with the election processes, prevent PDP agents from accessing collection centers, and arrest and detain prominent leaders of the PDP until after the election, as was the case during the 2016 rerun election and what he intended to do during the 2019-16 February rescheduled election. We are a peaceful and law-abiding people, and we do not want anybody to disturb our peace, kill our people, and destroy our property in the name of elections. We are aware that they intend to exploit the extrajudicial shoot-aside order of Mr. President to kill and maim our voters and supporters perceived to be against the APC. We are constrained, therefore, to call on the international communities, especially the United States, the British authorities, and the European Union to put maximum pressure on INEC and the federal government of Nigeria to allow peaceful, free, and credible election in Ogoni land on the 23rd of February 2019 and the 9th of March 2019. We have no confidence in Major General Saham and consequently request the military authority, the Chief of Army Staff particularly, to withdraw him and his men from election duties in Rivers State for the sake of peace and the interests of our people and Nigeria. We also have no confidence in Mr. Akin Fokarade's SARS and consequently also demand the Inspector General of Police to immediately withdraw him from election duties before he creates unavoidable crisis in the state. I will take that again. We also have no confidence in Mr. Akin Fokarade and consequently also demand the Inspector General of Police and the Police Service Commission particularly to immediately withdraw him from election duties before he creates unavoidable crisis in the state and indeed in the nation. Finally, we call on all Nigerians and the international community, especially the United States, British authorities, and the European Union, to hold Major General Saham and Mr. Akeem Fokaradi responsible for any violence and or loss of life and property in Ogoniland during the 2019 presidential and the governorship elections. Thank you for your attention, and may God continue to bless our dear state, bless Ogoniland, and bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help us God. Thank you.